Hi, this is Vizzy Broadway channel. In today's video, I will show you how to share Google Drive files with a link. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Google may be an omnipresent mega giant with finger in every possible pie, but there are, believe it or not, still plenty of people around the world who don't use the Google ecosystem for their business pleasure. Bing has its own dedicated user, and Microsoft Office Suite is in many ways better than Google's, and of course, there's always OneDrive coming pre-packaged on every modern Windows computer. In this video, we'll show you how to share Google files. Files from your Google Drive with a link. So how to do it is so simple. So first of all, we have to open our Drive. Now, I've made a folder on my Drive, and I want to share this folder, these files, with a link. So you can just tap on the three dots beside these files. As you can see, there is an option copy link. You can just tap on that. Now you can just share this link with your friends or family on via WhatsApp or Instagram or any others social media platform. And when they tap on this link, they will directly go into the files. It's so simple, right? So that is how to share Google Drive files with the link. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!